So the next thing what we will be seeing is how to create a model. So model is nothing but a template of how your database table should be looking like. Unlike in other development platforms where we will be first creating tables in the database directly, here we will be creating a model file and then migrating it from here. We will see the steps subsequently. So right click on models, add, and we'll be creating a class. We will be just creating class. We will be giving this as we are working on a movie project. First, we will be creating a model for actor. So the class name of the class is set as actor. Then click on it. So every actor will be having a unique ID. So that can be created using the following syntax. So what I just did was like I typed PROP, which is short form of property, and then tag. So this will be creating uh, field, or what we can say is like a field with a default getter and setter. So people who are familiar with C sharp may be knowing the getters and setters. So int ID. Next, the actor will be having a name. So string name. You can have like place of birth. That's it. You can save this. Thank you. So, like in any database application, you need a primary key to uniquely identify a record. So, we will be making the key as a primary key. So, anything which goes in square bracket is known as data annotation. So, the Visual Studio is intelligent that whenever I give this, it automatically imports this using system.component model from data. And if you want to make this name field as not null, you can give it annotation called recur. So this is how you form a table, form a template for a table basically. And in the subsequent sessions, we will be seeing how to migrate the template to the database. Thank you.